Introducing Nomad Cosmetics' new Keys Beachy and Peachy eye color palette. The destination? The southernmost point in the continental U.S. Florida Keys is a tropical paradise with laid-back, come-as-you-are feel. Connected by the overseas highway, this archipelago is an oasis of color-soaked vistas, marine life sanctuaries, and days of fun-in-the-sun activities. The palette? Tropical Goodness, a collection of tropical hues from sun-washed yellows, peaches, and key limes to richly soaked purples, blues, and sunset corals, 11 fun-in-the-sun mattes, and 7 glistening on water shimmers inspired by the always sunny Florida Keys. Our cause? We're proud to support the Dolphin Research Center that saves and protects dolphins and other marine mammals in the Florida Keys. This palette retails for $49. You can use code RERE10 for 10% off. That is not affiliated and it is available now. Okay, first off, deets, while I'm showcasing the looks for you guys. The first 2 looks, you'll note that I just did an eyeshadow look for you guys just to kind of show you as many looks as I possibly could, different color combinations and things like that. And then you'll see a couple looks kind of with a, full done beat, if you will. I love this palette, you guys. I love that it's kind of a rainbow palette, but more kind of like summer forward, and not a rainbow palette in the manner of it being kind of traditional red, orange, so on and so forth, and kind of tonally the same, if that makes any sense. There's a lot of pastel shades in here. There's some mid-tone shades, deepening up shades, and I think that the shimmers pair beautifully with the selection of mattes. I found this was the exact same quality that I'm used to from Nomad Cosmetics, and here I love the attention to detail. I love the packaging. Even the inner part of the outer carton, the unit carton, is beautiful. I love everything about it. And another thing that really caught my eye, and maybe something that not everybody is going to notice, is even in the font, the way that the font is laid out in the palette is also in like rainbow order. I think it's the attention to detail that I really love with Nomad Cosmetics. Everything blended well, the mattes layer well, they build well, and Nomad Cosmetics is one of the very few that the shimmers don't typically crease on my lids, and it is a long-lasting formula on me. For me, that is incredibly important. So you'll see that the first look that I did, I wanted to kind of really focus on the yellows, and then I tried with each look to kind of mix and match the different shades. That way you're not looking at it and saying, oh, I can only pair, the corals with the corals. You don't have to do that. And I like that it's very beginner friendly, meaning you can do the peachy corals together. You can do purples together. You can do blues together, so on and so forth. So I really tried, and hopefully you guys see that here. I really try to show you color combinations within the actual palette. So I'm going to speed all this up. We'll put some music behind it. You can use code RERE10 for 10% off. That is not affiliated. I don't make any money at all, but the palette obviously was gifted to me. Hopefully you guys like this style. And I really do try to be as thorough as I can be and try to give you guys, options and try to help you best make the right decision for yourself. I'm not ever somebody that's going to say, you need this. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this. You must have it. You don't need it. I don't need it. Nobody needs anything. I feel like makeup, beauty products and stuff like that, I feel like they're not necessities, but if you want it, if the color story speaks to you, based on now doing 5 different looks, I highly, highly recommend. I think it is absolutely stunning, and I love every single look that I've created.